If you're planning to create a YouTube channel, or if you have already created one, and you want to get your first 1,000 subscribers and get monetized, this is the video for you. And if you have not subscribed to the channel as yet, please consider doing so. And with that being said, hit the intro. Now back to the video. In this video, I'll be going over 7 main points. The first 2 are for those who have not created their YouTube channel as yet. So the first thing that I would recommend when thinking about creating a YouTube channel is finding something that you like doing. So when you want to get content, it won't be a hassle. Second thing is finding a unique name that will fit your brand and make it something that is easy to remember, so even a kindergartner can look it up. As also, make sure that you do research when looking for a name, no special characters, and ensure that there is no one on YouTube with that name. For example, with my name, Top Form Gaming, when I was creating the channel, I tried to find something that was unique to me and my brand, which is my clan in PUBG Mobile, Top Form. I went on YouTube and searched to find out if there was anyone else with the name Top Form. And I'm a gamer, so I said Top Form Gaming, which is easy to spell and it is unique to me. Next key point. Now that you have a channel and you have the content that you're going to put on it, you want to start getting subscribers, right? This is where your friends and your family will come in. First thing with your friends and family is that if you put something out that they don't think is appealing, they will tell you straight up. Continue to improve on your channel and your content. That includes making better thumbnails, improving on the way you name your videos, putting in keywords so that people will see your video. Because that's how the YouTube algorithm works. The keywords that are in your video that persons are searching for, that is what YouTube will use to push your content, so you will get more views and in turn more subscribers. And also in your videos, don't forget to ask people to subscribe, just like I'm going to do right now. Please remember to smash that subscribe button and turn on all notifications. Next important point, and don't forget this one, is to join communities around your niche. For instance, I'm a PUBG player. So I join communities based around gaming. So in return, that gives me future content or ideas for future content, helps me to improve on my channel and the content that I will put out on my channel, and I meet new people so I can do collaborations with them also. And I have more mediums to put my content out there. And don't forget this one, it's very important. Make notes. Make notes for future content. Make notes for the sequence in which you can make your videos. As you can see, I even have my trusty notebook right here. Any random ideas that come up, I'll put them down in this, and that may be a good video for the future. Also make notes for the equipments that you will need. That leads me to my next point, equipment. You have to invest in your channel if you want to make something of it. So invest in a good computer, lighting, camera, stuff like that you will need. And the better your equipment is, the better your content will be, and the more people will want to subscribe to your channel because of your content. And you will future-proof your content based on the equipment that you have. Now coming to the end of the video. These are the strategies that I use when creating my channel and working towards getting monetized. When the idea came to me to create this video, I also asked other YouTubers what was their strategies, and this was the basic layout that most of them use, which means it works. And if you have any ideas that you would like to share, you can also leave it in the comments. With that being said, thanks for watching, and I hope you make it in YouTube.